Hello, guys, and welcome back to Ken Mushroom LLC. Just another sightseeing. Some beautiful waterfalls over here. I know. Yeah, they're also jaw-dropping as waterfalls. Yeah, these are collard greens, and well, what I can say is they are fresh, and they're very green, and a lot of them.
Look how big this is.
Yeah.
Huge plant.
Yeah, plants are growing to 3 feet, 4 feet. You got some big giant leaves, almost 2 feet. And I think these ones are
So Thai hot chili peppers.
chili peppers, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, and they're abundant everywhere.
Flowers.
Yeah. Just enjoying Mother Nature. You got more collard greens here. More giant collard greens. Jaw dropping like waterfalls. And you got even giant.
Look at my hand compared to the size of that leaf.
Yeah, plants growing wild here. Yeah, very many colored leaves. More here. Yeah, more here. More here. Yeah.
This
Yeah.
very in a container.
Just admire the beautiful flower. Do you know what those are? Those are lettuce.